When you study the composition of the banana stems by splitting the seed, you'll be amazed at the beauty and the opportunity within.
The Seeds of Change initiative equips youth with the skills to cultivate, harvest, and transform crops into sustainable biomaterials.
In our biomanufacturing workshops, youth ambassadors turn banana stems into strong, resilient, sustainable fabrics that have a wide variety of potential application. These youth are discovering the sustainable progress and resilience coming from understanding and working with nature.
This is only the beginning. We are planting the seeds of change, nurturing a future where the cycle of life will come full circle once again.
These youth truly are the seeds of change.
Kia, movement that inspires.